we already discussed that the component of the environment, there is individual, family, land, air, water, all are the components of our environment. Now we are move on the next topic, that is natural environment. What is natural environment? In our surroundings, land, water, air, animals and plants, and this we calls all these comprises, we can call it is a natural environment. In the natural environment we can see different parts. I think the last year you had studied different domains of the earth, or different domains. Do you remember that? I think we just revised that. That is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Do you remember it? Okay, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere means it's a land part, we can refer it is lithosphere. I think that means lithosphere means it's a solid part of the earth crust, and it is made up of with the rocks and minerals, and this covered with a thin layer of the soil, that we can call it is lithosphere. And the lithosphere, from the lithosphere we can see that different landforms, mountains, valleys, hills, all this we can found in lithosphere. And the different landforms also are available in continents and seas. And this lithosphere, human beings are used for settlement, or their permanent settlement, and for agricultural purpose, for construction purpose, etc. Lithosphere means the crust, solid part or upper layer of earth. എർത്തിൻ്റെ പോർഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയർ ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, മൗണ്ടെയിൻസ്, ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, ഓൾ ദീസ് തിങ്സ് വി ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ്. ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാൻഡ് ഫോംസ്, വാലീസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, ദെൻ മൗണ്ടെയിൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ലിത്തോസ്ഫിയറിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. വാട്ട് എവർ തിങ്സ് വി ക്യാൻ സീ ഇൻ അവർ എർത്ത് സർഫേസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു ലാൻഡ്, that we can call it is lithosphere. The next one, the next domain, the domain of water is referred as a hydrosphere. We already discussed a lithosphere, it is referred to land part. And the next one, the domain of water is referred as a hydrosphere. And here various sources of water and various different types of water bodies are comes under this. And we know that different water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, seas, all are comes under hydrosphere. And first one, lithosphere, it's a solid part of the earth. And second one, hydrosphere, hydrosphere is a water body of the earth. The third one, that is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere means the thin layer of air that surrounds our earth. That is the gravitational force of the earth that holds the atmosphere. What are the things are comprises in our atmosphere? That is dust, water vapor, water, all are comprises in our atmosphere. And atmosphere protect us from the scorching heat of the sun. Any changes in atmosphere condition that create or that leads to change in weather condition. Atmosphere, I'm repeating atmosphere. Atmosphere means നമുക്ക് ഭൂമിക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ള എയറിൻ്റെ തിൻ ലെയർ ആയൊരു ആവരണത്തെയാണ് നമ്മൾ atmosphere എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. And this atmosphere comprises different types of gases, water vapor and dust, etc. And atmosphere always protect us from the scorching light of the sun. And the last one, that is biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth. Here the plant kingdom and animal kingdom link together with each other, and that means the water body and land are connect or interact, or they interdependent with each other for their life. That is biosphere. Okay, the next term or the last topic, that is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? All the living organisms, all the plant species and animal species, including human being, we all are interact with our immediate surroundings. Means ഏത് പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആണെങ്കിലും ആനിമൽസ് ആണെങ്കിലും വി ദ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ് നമ്മൾ നമ്മളെ എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റുമായിട്ട് എല്ലാ സമയത്തും ഇൻട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, ഇസ്ന്റ് ഇറ്റ്? ആൻഡ് വി ഓൾ ആർ ഓൾവേസ് ഇൻട്രാക്ട് വിത്ത് ഈച്ച് അതർ ആൻഡ് വി ഓൾവേസ് ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് അവർ എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റ്. Often these living organisms and plants and human beings, they are often interdependent with each other. That means the relation between the living organism and their surroundings is called ecosystem. I am repeating, all the living organisms and their surroundings. There is existing a relation between them. And this is, we referred it as an ecosystem. Can you say one example for ecosystem? So best example, we can say forest, grasslands, ponds, sea. And this we can see, we can call it as a ecosystem. For example, in the case of ponds, we can see plant species are there, small bacteria are there, fishes are there, frogs are there. Example, പോൺസിൽ മീനുകളുണ്ടാവും. ഈ മീനുകളെ ഭക്ഷിക്കുന്ന ആളാണ് തവള ഭക്ഷിക്കും. തവളനെ ആര് ഭക്ഷിക്കും? അതിൽ മേ ബി സ്നേക്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും, സ്നേക്സ് ഭക്ഷിക്കും. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇസ് മീൻസ് ദർ ഇസ് എ ഫുഡ് ചെയിൻ ആൻഡ് ദീസ് ഓർഗാനിസം ദേ interdependent with each other, and this we can call it is an ecosystem. And the last topic, that is human environment. Human environment means we the people are creating our environment and we change our environment with our needs. For our day-to-day life, for our own convenience, we try to change the environment. Okay, these are the important concepts that you want to study in this lesson. Okay, I think all of you clear the exact idea of each concept. First of all, we study what is environment, and second, the domains of the earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, and at last, the ecosystem. Okay, dear students, here we wind up the session. Thank you.